Hey Marjorie, as we're getting ready to move on to our new home, we just wanted to take a minute and tell you how much we enjoyed working with you on the sale of our house here in the district. It really was a great experience, and I think one part that was important to us is it was really clear that you know the market up and down, all the different parts of the market. And we really enjoyed talking to you about the strategy for selling the house. You explained different kinds of buyers and what might appeal to one, might appeal to another. And as you may remember, we had a lot of things that we were concerned about or that we wanted to go well for us. We could spend a fair amount of money fixing up the house, but we prefer not to. We could wait to sell, but we prefer to sell it quickly. Wanted to be able to rent it back before we moved to the house we had bought in Connecticut. So we had a whole range of things we were thinking about, and what was great about working with you through the process is that you didn't impose one particular approach that we had to follow. You kept in mind all the different concerns we had, and you actually changed the strategy as you remember as we went along. We have been going back and forth about how fully to stage and when, etc. And as we started the process, you came around the first couple of days after we had started cleaning up the house a bit and figured we could change the strategy in a particular way, which was great for us. It worked very well. And so it was just that all of that was great. Working with all the people that you got us in touch with for all the things that had to happen was great. We felt that you were always, you and your team, always there, ready to get back to us. And then you got us a great price, and we just couldn't be happier with the experience.
Yeah, and for me, a big part of it also was that as we started to work with the different people that you recommended, people to haul junk, people to paint, electricians, plumbers, the landscaping people, town and country movers, each person, each company was totally reliable, showed up on time, did a good job, charged what I thought was a fair amount of money, and was really, I quickly learned I could just count on your reference for whatever needed to be done, which was fabulous.
Another thing I should add, it was one of the last stages of the process, but maybe the most important, and I think sometimes people don't give enough thought to this when they're thinking about what a good agent can do for them, was negotiating the final sale among the offers that came in. There were a number of offers with a lot of different features to them, and we had the pleasure of being in your office as you were dealing with the different offers and figuring out how we could end up with the best terms, and it was very impressive, and I think it made a tremendous difference, and we did end up getting ultimately much more than we had expected for the house.